Be the person your prospects are aspiring to be. So what do we mean by this, and why is it so important? Well, who you are in life is going to create your reality. We're not going to go too deep down the rabbit hole of quantum physics, but if you do a little bit of digging, you will find that the experiences that we have in life are going to be a reflection of who we are. And so if you want better prospects, then you should be a better prospect yourself when you buy things. If you want prospects that are more decisive, you should be a more decisive person in your life. If you want people to get out of their fear and comfort zone and invest in themselves, then you should be doing that in your own life. So the first reason you want to be the person your prospects are aspiring to be is so that you create a better reality for yourself as a salesperson. The second reason that that is so important is when you turn up to the sales call, your prospect can feel, they might feel it unconsciously, they might feel it consciously, what type of person you are. They can feel, are you a leader? They can feel, are you someone that has your life together? They can feel, are you someone that is living your life congruently with the requests that you're making them as a prospect to take action on things and to not let their fear run their decisions? People can feel that. Now, some people might not have the articulation or the emotional intelligence to be able to explain it to you and say, hey, you salesperson, I don't believe in you. I just think you're a fraud. I think you're a fake. I think you're a scam artist. They probably won't say that, very rarely, and they often can't even comprehend it, but they feel something. You've ever been in a situation, you just have a gut feeling? Often that's right. And so to make your entire selling ecosystem more prosperous and more profitable for you, you need to start being the person that your prospects aspire to be. When you turn up to a sales call and your prospect can see, hear, feel, sense that you are a leader, you are decisive, you're an action taker, you're someone that pursues relentlessly the goals that you have in your life, they look at you and they think, I want to be like this person that is selling me. So whatever they're selling me, that is a step closer towards them. I'm going to take that step because if I get closer to somebody or something that I think is what I'm looking to be, what I'm aspiring to be like, I'm moving in the right direction. The reciprocal is also true, vice versa. If the prospect shows up to the sales call and thinks, yeah, this person just seems like a loser. This person seems boring. This person is fumbling over their words. They're going to look at you and think, I want to get away from this person. I do not want to step into alignment with this person. So remember, your reality is going to be created by the person that you are. And the prospects you get are going to be a reflection of who you are. So if you want good prospects, start making good decisions in your own life. Secondly, as you turn up to the call, your prospects are going to start having a first impression of who you are. And they'll feel it, whether comprehensible or inexplicable. They will sense, are you the type of person that they want to get closer to and align themselves with and take action on something that you're selling? Or are you the type of person that they want to run a mile from?
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.